Hi everyone, welcome back to Jobkar. I'm Shavana and today we will discuss about a job opportunity. But before moving further with the video, I would like to request you to subscribe to Jobkar for future updates and placement preparation related videos, as we upload videos on daily basis for job recruitment and preparation. So it will definitely gonna help you get your first job. So please do like, share and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss any update from us. So with that note, let's quickly move further with the video. So in today's video, we're going to talk about a job opportunity from Cognizant. So they have announced their new analyst, news analyst Cognizant off campus hiring for 2019, 2020 and 2023, 2021 batches. So these three batches are eligible. Okay. And application deadline will be 11th May 2022. That means today is the last date. So do apply as soon as possible. Okay, your CTC will be 2.6 LPA. And if I talk about salary breakdown, so there will be two packages, 2.6 LPA and 3.2 LPA. These two are the CTC that will be offered, and if you get selected, the final CTC will be under the sole discretion of Cognizant. So these two are the CTC, but these are not confirmed. You will get somewhere around between those, uh, and that will be depend on the performance at the selection process. Okay, now the job description, if I talk about, so as a news analyst you will be an integral part of our algorithm training process and serving as a resources to help define factors that are important to our clients, and excellent verbal and written communication skills, strong organizational skills, and proficient in managing multiple complete computing priorities, and ability to monitor and analyze real-time data from multiple data sets, and audits to monitor and analyze real-time data from multiple data sets, audits and programmatically apply business rules for data validation, and apply QA algorithmic data streams to improve the quality for the data sets output, and participate in UX user research studies for internal QA tools, and stay up to date on new policies, processes, and procedures impacting the QA workflow, and able to adapt quickly in a rapidly changing environment, and should process goal and result oriented mindset, and professional proficiency in a foreign language plus. Okay, now eligibility criteria is candidate from 2019, 2020 and 2021 batches specialize in any of the below fields, that are social science, communications, journal studies, civics and government, humanities, business administration and management, and HR, and economics, retail, banking, home science. These all are the fields which are eligible. So they have not given any graduation or any courses which are eligible, they have given the field. So like if I talk about HR, so if you have done MBA in HR, then you are eligible for this. And if I talk about communications or general studies, so if you have done anything related to these fields, you can apply. And economics, so if you have done economics, then you can apply. If you are from commerce background, then you can apply, as the banking is eligible, and likewise in all the fields. Okay, so if you are specialized in all these fields, like any one of these field, so no matter what graduation you have done, you are eligible for the job. Okay, now consistent academic record of a minimum of 50% in 10th 12th diploma, undergraduation or post graduation, and all subject will be taken into consideration. Okay, so you should have at least 50% in all the 10th 12th and graduation. Okay, now no standing arrears in current education, and maximum of 2 years gap in education. So 2 years gap is allowed, more than that is not allowed. Now appropriate CGPA 2% conversion to be considered as per university norms, and open only for Indian nationals, and flexible to relocate to anywhere in India, work in any shift or domain. So this the location for this job will be pan India, so you should be able to work anywhere according to business requirement, and you should be able to work in shifts that can be night or day shifts depending on the business requirement. Okay, now candidate must upload their resume with embedded photograph, all academic documents including school certificate and college semester mark sheet, and government ID proof scanned and as one. And uh, so you should have government ID proof scanned as PDF file. Okay, now during test registration, mandatory process to appear for the test. Okay, and the candidate should have soft copies of the below mentioned documents ready to be shared during online interview. So you should have your resume, that should be maximum of 2 pages. That means that should not exceed 2 pages. Okay, with high resolution passport size photographs embedded, and both ears must be visible with the light background. Okay, now all academic mark sheets and certificates for verification and Aadhaar card, passport front and back page, and PAN card. Okay, so these all are the documents you should have ready at the time of online interview. Okay, now the timelines if I talk about, so your assessment will be completed till 3rd week of May. Okay, and technical interview will start from 3rd week itself, so that will be complete within 3rd and 4th week of May. And HR interview will also complete in 3rd and 4th of May. Okay, this is the some disclaimer about the job. Okay, so Cognizant does not entertain any payment of any kind of candidate or vendor for employment, and requests or such payment should be promptly report to Gen C HR compliance ind@cognizant.com. So if you are getting any request like for any money or any payment, then you can raise your issue to this email ID. Okay, and these all are the disclaimer. You can go through all these disclaimers. I will provide this link in the description box. And to apply for this drive, you need to click on this apply now button and complete your application, and make sure to complete it before 12 p.m. as the deadline is 11th May 11:59. Okay, so you should be able to apply before that. Okay, do apply as soon as possible, and also share it with your friends who can apply. Okay, 2019, 2020 and 2021 batch are eligible, so make the most of this opportunity. And that's all for today's video. If you like the video, then you need to hit the like button and subscribe to Jobker for future updates. And I'll be coming back with more such kind of videos. Till then, take care and bye bye. And also follow us on Instagram for quick updates. Okay, bye bye.